Ever wondered why cucumbers are so important for our health? Today, we're diving into the world of this modest vegetable hero, the cucumber. Often overlooked, this green gem is packed full of benefits that can do wonders for our health. And stick around because later on, I'll be sharing a refreshing cucumber salad recipe that you won't want to miss. Cucumbers may be humble, but they're mighty when it comes to their health benefits. Firstly, they're about 95% water, making them a fantastic way to stay hydrated. But that's not all. These green powerhouses are also a great source of nutrients, including vitamin K, B vitamins, and essential minerals like potassium and magnesium. And the benefits don't stop there. The high fiber content in cucumbers supports a healthy digestive system, while compounds found in cucumbers may help reduce inflammation in the body. But the benefits of cucumbers extend beyond just eating them. Cucumber juice is known for its nourishing properties for the skin, making it a natural toner that can be used in your beauty routine. Now let's move on to a simple yet delicious cucumber salad recipe. You'll need 2 medium cucumbers, 1 small red onion, a handful of fresh mint or parsley, the juice of 1 lemon, and salt and pepper to taste. You can also add crumbled feta cheese or a few olives if you like. First, thinly slice the cucumbers and dice the onion. Then, in a bowl, mix the cucumbers, onion, and your chosen herb. Next, add the lemon juice, salt, and pepper, and gently mix it all together. If you're using feta or olives, add them now. And there you have it. A simple, healthy, and tasty cucumber salad, perfect for a light lunch or as an addition to your main meal. Now, it's over to you. What are your favorite ways to use cucumbers in the kitchen? Maybe you have a family recipe to share, or a unique twist on a classic cucumber dish. Don't hesitate to share them in the comments. And if you're thirsty for more healthy eating tips and tasty recipes, make sure to subscribe to our channel, share this post, and join our community. Remember, every step towards healthier eating is a step towards a healthier you. Until next time.